channel again. So for today's video, hindi ba halata na bagong gising? Actually, kakarating ko lang sa office kanina, kumain, nag-sleep kasi kulang ang tulog, kaya yan. Ngayon lang nakakapag-vlog. Ngayon lang ako nag-shoot for vlog. So halata, pero okay lang yan. Namumulamat na. Welcome to my channel again! So for today's video, so isang halal food resto. Ang i-feature ko today, I bought from them baked potato and chicken flavor, and also their KHUBS. Ang KHUBS kasi, di ko alam kung ano talaga yung name, pero yung nakalagay kasi sa menu, KHUBS lang, with salad and may sauce siya. Then, meron siyang parang lumpia wrapper. Let's just taste that one later. And the baked potato. But before that, if you like this video and if you like food review videos, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel para you will be updated on my everyday upload, right? So, thank you so much for watching this video at andito kayo. I hope mag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. So, let's get started! Alright, so nag-order ako ng food sa TAAM Halal Pizza sa Mabanza City. So, pakita ko ang Facebook page nila. Yan. So, yan. Yan. So, ito yung Facebook page nila. So, and then, may menu sila. Yan. So, you can browse kung anong gusto nyo. Meron silang mga chicken wings with fries. They have also milk teas. They have buy one take one pizza. And many more na pang order, right? So, nag-order ako via their Facebook page. Nakita ko yung contact number. And, so, quite matagal lang mag-respond. Hindi mo siya tawagan, hindi ka ma-answer. So, you call, then place your order. Kasi I messaged them sa Facebook page, then walang nag-respond. So, I dial their number, nag-text ako, hindi nag-reply, tinawagan ko, at may sumagot naman. Luckily, at naka-order ako. And then, when I texted my order, hindi nag-reply, so baka ano lang sila, busy. Umabot naman yung order ko sa office kanina. Alright, and then yung food packing nila for the baked potato, it's here. Yes, ganyan. So, taran! So, naka-foil siya. And then, nasa loob ang baked potato. May white sauce to siya. Ito yung white sauce niya. Yan. So, that's the baked potato. Yung KHUBS naman is dito ka na nilagay kasi ito nakalagay sa brown paper yung sisidlan ng bread, and then ito yung salad nila. Yan. So, feeling kumbaga nilalagay natin sa loob. And this one there, red sauce. So, yan. So, ganyan. Well packed naman pagka-deliver, and hindi nag-spill, malinis naman ang pagka-packing, kaya that's okay. They have their own delivery at tatawag kayo. Kasi when I asked the customer service kung anong partner have, so sabi niya may own delivery. Kaya yun. So, without so much further ado, charot! Let's get started tasting their food from from TAAM Halal Pizza sa Mabanza City. Diba guys? So ngayon, yung KHUBS ang ating unahin. So malinis naman ang kamay ko. So, kunin natin to. And then, let's open. Charot. So, parang dough siya. Yung parang parang dough siya or wrapper siya ng shawarma. And then, with the power of our pork, ito pala kasabay sa ang item 6. Taran! So, ilalagay natin to sa loob ng dough nila or the KHUBS ata. Yan, it is made up of sliced cucumber, carrots, and tomato. So, ilagay ko lahat. Yan. Yan. So, parang bibigyan ka nila ng salad and the red sauce. And then, ikaw na mag-a-assemble at your own convenience. Charot. This is the red sauce. So, ilalagay natin. Charot. Pero, I think may siya. May karne siya. I think this is parang ground beef. And ganito siya mangyayari, guys. So, igaganyan nyo. Diba? So, let's ready to eat. Diba? So, taran! Ganito na siya. And then, ganyan. So, you have to eat na this one. So, let's eat. Para siyang you could eat your own shawarma. Nag-infuse yung manamis na miss because of the red sauce with, I think that's with ground beef and also yung mga carrots, cucumber, and tomato. Let's eat. It's parang fresh na salad na nilagay sa shawarma na wrapper and with the red sauce na may ground beef. Masarap siya in fairness. This is called KHUBS or KHUBS from. Actually, it's really nice for merienda. Para talaga siyang shawarma. Pero ito kasi fresh veggies and plus the red sauce na may ground beef. And then manamis-namis na maasim-asim. So, it really tickles and infuses in your mouth and in every bite. Masarap yung dough nila with the KHUBS. So, everything is halal, no pork because it's TAAM halal pizza sa Buanga City. And may promo sila sa pizza nila na buy one take one. Parang fresh shawarma. Pero masarap, guys, promise. Sarap. Yummy! Taran! Next up is their baked potato na chicken flavor. So they have also beef. This is only worth 80 peso. And then yung KHUBS naman kanina na I ate is, let's check it out! Check muna natin para sure kung how much. So, the KHUBS is 75 peso. So, yung isa nun is 75 peso. This one is 80 peso. So, may white sauce siya. So, if you want to, if gusto mo i-beef yung potato, you can here. So, let's try their baked potato. So, yan. If you can see, I think may cheese, potato of course, and then may chicken ata na maliliit. Let's try. This is yung potato lang talaga na makikita sa market. Yan, ini-slice nila at binake with cheese and chicken. And I dip it sa white sauce. Pero the usual na, yung nagprito ka ng potato and then with cheese, and yung diced na chicken, may melted cheese din. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, ang nilagay nila, but may melted cheese siya, aside from the yung parang grated cheese. And malasa talaga yung white sauce nila. Napo-complement yung white sauce nila sa potato na bake, prito. Ang sabi ko na bake pala to. Tarahan! Masarap na siya guys. Ang sulit na siya for 80 pesos. Sarap. Taran! So if you want to order, you can visit them sa FB page nila so that you can contact them sa number, and then pag mag-message kayo, I hope mag-reply sila. They are available on Foodpanda, so you can browse sa Foodpanda and look for TAAM Halal sa mga city. So may buy one take one pizza sila. They have also milk teas, chicken wings, and fries, and many more that you can choose kung ano ang gusto nyo, diba? So what you're waiting for, go and try their food. Masarap siya guys, promise. Taran! Masarap yung baked potato nila. Chicken flavor.
Few moments later.
Tarahan! So, yan. I'm done eating the food that I ordered from TAAM. From TAAM Halal Pizza of Zamboanga City. So, that's the KHUBS wherein it consists of yung parang dosha, and then with salads and the red sauce with ground beef. So, parang ano siya talaga, shawarma na may fresh veggies, and then ikaw yung assemble. But in fairness, it's masarap. Also, their chicken baked potato is so masarap. Nag-infuse yung flavor every bite, especially if you will give it sa white sauce nila, right? So, if you want to order, you can contact them sa FB page nila, or you can find them sa Foodpanda application and place an order, diba? So, may prices lang na, mag-vary lang ang prices kasi if sa store ka directly magbili, it's only 80 pesos yung baked potato. While pag sa Foodpanda is 100 peso tapos plus delivery fee, right? So, yun naman yung in exchange with the services of Foodpanda, you will be just waiting at your comfort zone. Charot. At so, pwede ka lang maghintay sa office or sa bahay na dali ni Foodpanda rider, pero may mga charges naman, of course, right? So, what's my insights for their store? First, for their customer service, I hope they can be more responsive on the inquiries on your Facebook page, of course, and also on text messages. Kasi sa Kalaki naman, text messages and FB Messenger. Kasi once you have business, dapat maganda yung customer service. Alright, or baka busy lang naman po sila. Sa food naman po, we have their baked potato chicken flavor. They have also beef and also the cook. So wala masabi because I'm not really disappointed with the taste because it's really masarap, guys. So you can try it out. So if I rate them from 1 to 5, 5 yung highest, 1 ang lowest. So in general, including food, customer service, and the delivery, it's 5 kasi we can still manage naman to develop everything, and masarap naman, and they give quality food, good quality taste. Yun yung importante, right? So masarap naman. So I can recommend them for merienda, or if you have a plan to taste all their menus, you can check it sa FB page nila. They have chicken with fries, milk teas, and pizzas na buy one take one, right? So that's TAAM Halal Pizza in Zamboanga City. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa episode nito, sa video na to, sa isa na namang food review na ginawa natin sa masasarap na food na inahahanda ko sa iyo at kayo'y naglalaway habang ako'y nagsasalita dito in front of you. Charot! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video and if you want some more of food reviews, the mga food resto na matatagpuan dito sa Zamboanga City, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel para you will be always updated sa mga uploads ko every day. And please don't skip the ads. By show some love by not skipping the ad, and also by subscribing into my channel. Of course, like, comment, and share this video. And of course, follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram account, TikTok, and Twitter. Nasa description box below. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay safe, everyone. Magpabaksin kung may slot, at kung in-invite magpabaksin na para you have your protection from COVID-19 infections, right? Right. So, maraming salamat at see you! Maraming salamat at see you! Hala! Thank you everyone and see you! Hala! See you! Okay, see you in my next vlog! Yun lang! Bye! Stay safe!